following is a demonstration of the installation of a device that can prevent stray current damage from an incorrectly set up arc welding machine. Previously, we have demonstrated how a simple operator error can lead to a situation where enormous stray welding current levels can flow through unintended paths in a facility, including the grounding and bonding wires in the electrical system. Now we will show you how the installation of a prototype device that we are calling a stray current interrupter device, or SCID for short, can stop the damaging current flow. The main SCID control module is added to the welding electrode lead. The sensor is clamped over the arc welder's primary supply cord. The power supply to the SCID device is added and now can turn it on. At this point, we can press the test button on the unit to check its operation, and then the reset so that we are ready for welding. Initially, we will demonstrate a correct welding setup where the current return clamp is properly located near the point of welding on the steel downdraft table. Our machine is set up for SMAW welding using DC electrode positive. However, the SCID unit is designed to work with both polarities of DC, as well as AC current and the various pulsed current operations. The SCID unit allows the welding operator to proceed normally. Now, we will change the setup to simulate a case where the welder has neglected to properly connect the current return clamp near the point of welding. As you can see here, the bare current return clamp has been left in contact with the machine's chassis through the cart that it is sitting on. This conduit will allow stray welding current to travel through the table and return back to the machine through the ductwork, the building structure, and the building's electrical grounding and bonding conductors. We can see now that the SCID unit has instantly interrupted the fault condition and sounded an alarm. Once the welder realizes their mistake and corrects the setup, the SCID unit can be reset and welding can continue safely.